Take a look at this one. This is the monetization tab on my YouTube dashboard, and I'm doing this video to purposely to inspire other YouTubers and others who are not yet on YouTube, doing Facebook or whatever, TikTok there. Please, those platforms are not beneficial for you, so just quit whatever you are doing there and hop onto YouTube. And for now, I want to take you guys through my YouTube dashboard. Yes, I've been demonetized for almost 6 months, and I just reapplied on 12th of February, and I got accepted back into monetization, and now my channel is currently running ads, which means I'm making money on my channel for the ads that is being displayed on my channel. And I want to show it to other Papua New Guineans and inspire others to please just join me on YouTube and let's flow together. If you are a newcomer, a newbie on YouTube, please drop a comment and just say something. You know, comment it's kind of a thing that you engage with someone who has been already on the platform, so that they get to notice you too. So it's better you always try to comment. So for now, I'm taking you guys into my YouTube dashboard, and this is how and what a monetized channel. This is how and what a monetized channel in Papua New Guinea looks like. Yes, take a look at this. This is my YouTube revenue. This is the YouTube dashboard of mine. I'm currently Chronicles of HP. I'm currently with 4,490 subscribers on my channel, and and I just for the last 28 days I have 11.6k views. Those views haven't been monetized for the past some couple of 3 weeks ago, like that. But for just since for 12th of February till now, I just collected about 53 cents. This isn't big money, but like to Papua New Guinea currency, it's currently like it's about 1 kina 50 toya in my dashboard. It's like 1 kina 50 toya in PNG currency on my dashboard currently. So I just want to show people that you can do it too, like that. You are looking for how to make money online. Stop about doing all sorts of bullshit and overnight millionaire thing, and you have to struggle through and get yourself up and do things that will really benefit you, rather than you hope to get $1 million overnight. Yes, so this is my YouTube dashboard. I'm taking you through on my tab here, and this is the revenue tab and tab here. I'm going into it. So for now, you see, it says you are a YouTube partner, which means I already got into the YouTube partnership program, and I'm eligible to earn when viewers go and view my videos and they see an advertisement shown to them. So this is like that. So this is how a monetized channel looks like. So on your main dashboard, you will see that you have views there, watch time there, subscribers, and estimated revenue in dollars. You can change it to whatever currency you want to, but for me it's like you have to reach the minimum withdrawal threshold for YouTube is that you have to reach $100 to withdraw into your bank account. So it's better that I leave it as it is in dollars. I can change that to Kina and see the conversion there, but it's better I leave it in dollars. So when it will reach $100, I will get a clear picture of how my revenue is progressing. So this is how it looks like, and this is for they paid me for the amount of views that I get from my videos. For now, like this, you go into the real-time analytics there, you will see that for the last 48 hours on my real-time analytics here, for the last 48 hours I got 330 views. This is not a really good I've left the channel for a long time and I haven't been posting, so my tendency and such that has dropped, so it has just starting to climb up. So I am expecting to get some good views during in the weeks to come, and I'll be trying to putting up some good content for my viewers to watch. Please, if you have watched this far, please give a like to this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll still be dropping some many more cool content about how to monetize your channel in Papua New Guinea, YouTube channel in Papua New Guinea, so and start making money on your YouTube channel. And I am always against Facebookers and TikTokers of Papua New Guinea, because I always say you guys are wasting your time on these two platforms. You are not even making any money there. Yes, it's like if you are doing some kind of online marketing or such that, it's okay, but through the ad revenue stream you will not make any single dime there. So forget about these two platforms. Mine, I always love my YouTube, and it's always YouTube. Yes, and let's go through other tabs here. This is the end tab. This is the end tab. It's like currently progress towards your next payment. It's $1.48. It's about 49 PNG currency. So currently the money is still rolling in from the views that I'm getting. And for the video this video I'll be uploading, when viewers start viewing it, I'll still collect money from it too. Money will start rolling to my channel, and always for PNG, I will try my best to educate my fellow countrymen and women about YouTube. Sometimes I try to show them my dashboard and such that just see that many people are new to this thing, and it's kind of a new knowledge to them, and they are surprised and such that. So for that reason, I try my best to reach out to greater audience who haven't been through seen such knowledge, and come to see this technological age of global monetization strategies. YouTube is like a marketplace for videos. You create videos, you upload it onto your YouTube channel, create a channel, you upload it there, and according to the views that you get, you will get paid there when you get into the YouTube partnership program. In short, they say YPP. So like that, it's for 1,000 views you have different rates there. For business videos and such that, they have a higher paying rate than comedies and music videos and such that, pranks and like that. So that's why you used to see my needs. It's like I'm always talking about finance and business and technology, and I'm trying to hit those big higher paying rates. Yes, I don't want to waste time on YouTube doing things that will pay me such very small, collecting pennies there. Yes, family. And that's how a monetized YouTube channel in Papua New Guinea looks like. And I'm going to go through the tabs. You see, this is the content tab here, which consists of all the contents that I've uploaded. And when your channel is monetized and the content that you upload, you will see that there is a green dollar sign there. Yeah, like that. Yeah, I'm talking about this green dollar signs. Yeah, it means that this video is being monetized, and it's eligible to get some revenue into your dashboard. So whenever viewers click and watch them, you will make some money there. For likes and comments, you will not earn any money from it. It's just to like make the content to go viral. But the thing that you get paid for is the views that viewers view your content. That's what YouTube pay you for. So don't think that you will get paid for the likes, or you will get paid for the subscriber count, or you will get paid for the content comment. I mean, the only thing that you get paid for is the views. Is the views that you get onto your channel. So that's how YouTube works. And I'll be still dropping some many more cool content about YouTube. and I'm also working on my blogger. You will find the link to my blog in the description of this video, or you can also find it in the description of the channel Chronicles of HB there. You can find it there. So that's all about YouTube and blog. So always hustle harder, they say. So I've been around on the internet and trying to make ends meet there, and I've come to discover many things. As long as I'm alive, I try to say it on my channel with others. So thank you very much for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. Please, to get you into such most privacy part like this of your channel, I don't think many Papua New Guineans will take you there. So take that as a bonus, and please, to show your appreciation, give a like to this video and subscribe to my channel. And please, if you have other families and friends there, share this video to them. Thank you very much for watching. Much love and stay blessed. Cats.
Today is a gift, for we don't know what tomorrow might bring. Life is too short for so, and I don't like holding on to little grudges that will keep on taunting me. Just wanna live my moments with the happiness. Inaka, amene, anene, amene. Wele ukotimbo kipindo, amene. That's what I say. What do I my pay? You should let it go and just forget it all, yo. They say life is a race, and I'm on the chase until I realize I'm still chasing my dreams, yeah. They say life is a race, and I'm on the chase until I realize I'm still chasing my dreams. Yeah. Oh, yeah.